The Magic Pot and the Kind Little Girl. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the hills and forests, there lived a kind little girl named Anya. Anya was known for her good heart, always helping her parents and neighbors. One sunny day, while Anya was gathering firewood in the forest, she stumbled upon something shiny buried under the fallen leaves. Curious, she cleared the leaves and found a small, beautiful pot covered in colorful designs. It looked like an ordinary pot, but something felt magical about it. As she picked it up, a soft voice whispered, "I am the magic pot, and I can grant you whatever you wish for. But remember, I only work for those who are kind and have a pure heart." Anya's eyes widened with excitement. She thought for a moment and then said, "Oh, Magic Pot, I wish for some delicious food for my family. We have been working so hard, and I would love to surprise them." The Magic Pot glowed and started to swirl with a warm light. Within moments, the pot was filled with the most delicious food Anya had ever seen: freshly baked bread, creamy butter, sweet honey, and colorful fruits. Anya was overjoyed and thanked the Magic Pot. She carried the pot back home and shared the feast with her parents. They were amazed and asked where she got the food. Anya told them about the Magic Pot and its gift. Her parents smiled and said, "Anya, you have a kind heart, and this pot is a reward for your goodness." But Anya didn't keep the pot to herself. She used it to help others in the village who were in need. When a neighbor was sick, she wished for healing herbs. When an old man was hungry, she wished for warm soup. The Magic Pot never failed, and soon, the whole village was talking about the wonderful things happening thanks to Anya and her Magic Pot. One evening, as the village gathered around a cozy fire, the Magic Pot spoke again. "Anya, you have used my powers wisely. You never wished for gold or riches, only things to help others. I want to give you one last gift." With that, the Magic Pot shimmered and filled the air with twinkling lights. The lights swirled and formed a beautiful garden right in front of Anya's house, filled with flowers, fruits, and vegetables that would never wilt or dry up. Anya and her family would always have food and beauty around them. The villagers celebrated, and everyone felt the warmth of the magic that Anya had brought into their lives. From that day on, Anya's house became a symbol of kindness, and people would come from far and wide to see the magic garden and hear the story of the kind little girl and her Magic Pot. And so, Anya and the Magic Pot lived happily ever after, always bringing joy to those around them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.